I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling materials and the proper station. Collect gold bars, 10 is standard, or use platinum bars as a direct substitute. Once done, make sure you have the chain type component the recipe requires, and place an anvil, iron, or lead near a workbench so you can craft immediately. This saves travel time. You'll see why preparation matters. Crafting at the right station prevents wasted resources and speeds the process toward the gold watch. You craft the item now, stand by the anvil and open your crafting menu. Select the gold watch recipe, combining the gold bars and the chain component, press craft. If you substituted platinum bars, expect the equivalent platinum watch instead. This is why currency material choice matters. Keep an eye on inventory space so the watch drops into your bag. Once crafted, equip it in an accessory slot to start showing time. You'll notice immediate finish by equipping the gold watch in an accessory slot so you get the time display. If you can't craft it, first confirm you're close enough to both the anvil and workbench, and that you used gold bars, not a similarly named item. Once done, try rebuilding the recipe. Melt extra bars at a furnace to remake components, then return to the anvil. If problems persist, inspect mods or recipe changes that might alter requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.